Hey, so the next thing I'm going to show you is kind of setting up your team so that it's all ready to go for when you're ready to start using this with students for discussions and that type of thing. So a couple things you want to do is you can go in and set some specific um, rules in the options so that students can have a pretty fluid experience with using the discussions. So to do that, you're going to hit the ellipses that gives you more options, and you're going to go to Manage Team. And then once you're here, you're going to go over here to Settings. And this is where you can kind of start to change some things so you can mess with the theme of the team. But member permissions is kind of one of the most important ones. And so what I recommend is really not allowing members to delete and restore channels. I kind of leave these boxes unchecked to just make sure that students aren't accidentally um, creating different things and manipulating the team in a way that it's going to make it really convoluted. But I do leave these three checked. So owners, or other words, the teacher, can delete all messages if they want to. And then you can give members the option to delete their own messages. Some of you may want to leave that open, and just so that students, it's kind of a learning experience. They can't just like post something really quick and then that's inappropriate and delete it. And it could be a bit of a learning experience. Others might just want to leave that checked so that members, as they mess up, and they're like, "Oh, I started a conversation instead of replying to somebody. I want to delete that," and gives them that ability to delete that. Um, and then same with giving members the options to edit their messages. I mean, you could debate that one, whether or not you want kids to really spend some time thinking about what they're going to post before they post it. I mean, that's a good exercise. But I mean, as an adult, I make mistakes all the time and want to be able to edit my posts if I need to. So that's an option. You can think about how you want to do that. And then here's when I kind of just leave this. Anyone can post messages and alert different people. We're not going to worry about guest permissions. Mentions is just all about how you can trigger a notification for different people. So you can do at team or at team name, and that'll notify everybody in the team that something was said. Or you can do at and then start typing someone's name, and it will notify that specific person. So if you want to ask a specific person a question or you're responding to somebody in a long thread, it might be helpful to at their name so that they know you're referencing what they were talking about. And then another piece that I think is really important and valuable is the fun stuff. And you can kind of decide, what you want to leave open for kids. Teams is built with Giphy, so the kids can add GIFs or GIFs, however you want to say it, to conversations. And then you also want to make sure you have, so I have it set as strict filtering, so any inappropriate content is filtered out of the team. And then I also enable stickers and memes for the help desk kids that want to mess around with that. But I can understand if you want to limit